Hey everyone, I hope so you guys are doing very good. Now today we are going to learn about what is the basic criteria for product selection in affiliate marketing. There is basically five basic things you need to consider in affiliate marketing, whether you are using a paid method or you are using an organic method. So first thing is search volume. You need to have a good search volume of that product, whether that product is an Amazon product or whether it is an Amazon product or high ticket product from other affiliate marketing place, but it should have a good volume. Like if I go on, just wait a little. If I have a lot of things here, just wait, let me select some niche here, just wait a little. I will go with home and garden tools here, home decor tools, Digistore, and I will go on Digistore and see how things go here. Let's see if you are selling, if you want to sell affiliate product like artificial plants, we need to consider its commission. Its commission not is greater than, it's around 1 to 2%. Like if I'm selling a $30 product or $100 product, I will get $2 commission on each sale. So you just select your product and get the link from here and just go and write a review on it. But let's search what is potential. The first thing which we are considering is search volume. So we need to see what is its search volume. So let's go on Google and type artificial plants. So its search volume is around 33,000. 33,000 is a good search volume, but artificial plants itself doesn't show any sort of intent. The second thing we need to consider is intent, like what sort of keyword the user will type when he want to buy artificial plants. He will search on Google. He will search on Google to get reviews like best artificial plants. Now we will see what is its search volume. Its search volume is 1300. It's good. As far organic method is concerned, your search volume should be higher than 1300, but that's how search volumes work, and that's how user intent work. Like if I'm going to Digistore and I am having a product like Maticore, and if I type Maticore here, basically we market such high ticket product with paid method, so I have 40,000 searches. But if I type Maticore reviews, we have still 22,000 searches, because reviews matters a lot in Maticore in such high ticket products. So second thing is you need to use such keywords, such inputs which can deliver you a good intent. The third thing which we'll check is competition, which is checked by basically keyword difficulty, and it is checked by Moz. There are a lot of tools, but Moz keyword difficulty, how difficult is to rank on that keyword by Moz. Okay, and for organic method, of course, as for ads method, we see basically click cost. We advertise our cost and check our like overall cost. like we have Moz here. So we will just copy this keyword and check its difficulty. Whoa, it is hard to rank basically by organic method. It has a difficulty of 50. That's high. As far Meticore itself is concerned, we need to see its we just go and type the we'll just see how things are go here. Basically I'm just doing, basically it is a bulk analysis site. So here we have CPC. Here the CPC of US is $2.92. It's mean a single click on this site costs this much money, or give you this much money, but as far advertising cost is concerned, it's high. It's quite high. You can see the searches. It varies a lot. In January 2021, the search volume was 90,000, around 100k. As far August 2021 is concerned, search volume is quite low, and September is not well as well. So things vary a lot. This is how we check the competition and search volume. Now third thing which we will see is basically budget. How much money you got basically. If you are using organic method, you need writer, SEO expert, SEO guy, you need SEO, and last is basically a website. Low budget stuff. As for ads are concerned, you need landing site and ads. That's all, and a lot of experience. It will take time. As for these are the basic things which you need to consider when you are using organic or paid method. Last thing is keyword grouping. Basically, keyword grouping is analyzing or getting keywords of all sorts in a single at a single place, so you can see which keyword is going where and which keywords are going where. You can also create a grouping. Basically, you need to create a set of keywords, a set of group which you can put in advertising platform as a group. So whenever anyone type that keyword, your ad can pop up. Like if I on Google, if I here a Meticore review, Meticore Canada review, Australia review, supplement review, product review, independent review, my Meticore review, if I space here, so pills review, product, these are the different keywords you need to consider. Meticore, these things will be like keywords which will fall under this keyword as a group. You will consider while advertising. These are the basic things you need to consider while you are doing selection for. Basically, these are the things you consider while selecting a product in affiliate marketing. Otherwise, things won't go well, because each thing is derived from your product. Keyword depend on product, budget depend on product, competition depend on product, intent depend on product, search volume is also depend on product. So first thing is decide product in a wise manner. Stay tuned for more content. We will meet soon.